So here's the thing. Today, it's 2021, and developer velocity is really what everyone's aiming for. Everything has to be fast. Everything has to be now. We think about some of the things that have happened in the last 12 months. We've really seen the importance of velocity to so many different kinds of businesses. It's not just startups. Think about enterprises needing to respond to change. Retail's a great example. So how do we improve developer experience so the developer is not there scratching their head, so that they're able to work effectively and do their job? It used to be that we had the monoliths. We think of that wonderful, wonderful wave we had. Rails apps on Heroku. So many people being highly productive. Great companies created on the strength of that model with those monoliths. But of course, today, it's about microservices. In order that we can move more quickly, we've broken things into smaller pieces. We've broken teams into smaller pieces. We brought them hopefully closer to the user, closer to the product manager. And we've got these microservices graphs. But this can be very, very complicated. Here's a microservice graph from Uber. But the bottom line is that we can't use the old models we had with monoliths, and we're groping towards more effective ways to do things in a number of different areas. One of the really interesting stats that we've seen most recently is just this incredible rise of TypeScript. So if you think JavaScript is number one and all of the frameworks we associate with that, we've now got TypeScript up there. And okay, TypeScript is only number 8, but this is a cumulative graph of data. It's quite difficult to break into that top 10. TypeScript is doing that. And I think over time, I mean, could we see it even overtaking Java, getting sort of number 3? Because if we think about some of the values that Java had in terms of refactoring, maintainability of code base, that's what we're getting from TypeScript. We're going to see more growth there. Cloud is another mega trend that we've just seen made a huge impact. And services, and I don't mean services in the old world sense of like outsourcing and service integration. I mean in the context of managed services. That's where the cloud is moving today. Great example of that being serverless. Let's just take things out of the hands of developers that they don't need to worry about, and increasingly abstract that away so they can focus on building applications and they're productive. And what we want to be thinking about is what's the job that people are trying to do? Rather than trying to provide everything or just provide infrastructure, look at specific niches, target those niches, build tools that are specifically designed to solve particular problems for developers. And I think that's really where we are as an industry today.